Hi, okay, my name is Dave Hitchcock, and this is our adventure with the H.264 network DVR that we received yesterday, and so far we cannot get it to work. I'm going to have my wife film me as I put it together, and I'll go through the steps as directed by the first thing I did was after I opened the box, I did download your user's manual and your DVR HD Vega port application note. And I did read the user manual 3 times. Okay.
I hit that little button. It's recording. It says REC.
Okay, now it's recording. The first thing I did was I plugged in the monitor in the back, and I turned it on. If you want to come back here and see that I'm plugging in the monitor. Okay, the USB port for the mouse, and the USB port for the, well, we'll just do the mouse for the first part. Okay, and then we'll plug in the DVR. And I'm going to turn on the monitor.
This is not looking good.
Okay. Now, keep an eye out on the monitor, please. Okay, this is what comes up. HD264 digital video recorder. The mouse does light up. The mouse does light up. Okay, and then that's what we get. Okay, and the screen goes blank. So according to some emails that I received, when the screen goes blank and the mouse doesn't work, I'm supposed to hold the mouse down in the center and hold it, and nothing happens. Usually, you right-click on a mouse, and that brings up the menu. Again, it doesn't work. Okay, so we get absolutely nothing here. And one of the other things in the digital, in your manual, you tell me to, when I turn it on, I should see a blue light in the back through I'm supposed to remove something here in the back. Well, there's nothing to remove, but there was something in here to block these 2 holes, and I can see a blue light in here. So I have to assume that's the equipment light that you're talking about. As you can see, the monitor is still blank. I pressed the manual button, which I was told to do in the book and the manual and on your email. And I'm holding, as you can see, I'm holding in on this, on the manual button, and the screen is absolutely doing nothing. Blank, blank, blank. Okay, so at this point, we're going to reboot. So I press on the power button. Okay. And it powers off. And we reboot. The initialization screen comes on in. And then we get the initial screen. And again, the screen goes blank. the mouse appears to work, but it doesn't. I can't get anything here. I go through the same procedure. I hold down the middle. Nothing. Nothing. The next part of the procedure set and the emails that I have received is I push the menu button to enter anything manually. I press and hold. Release, nothing. I press it quickly and release, absolutely nothing. Now, one thing I did do is I set this up in my kitchen, and I did this with my other systems, and it seems to work pretty good because it's a test. When I plug in the camera, this camera,
Wait a moment. Pull it back.
okay, when I plug it in, as you can see, the camera works. It's just that I can't get to the menu to set up, do any of the setup. Again, when I unplug the camera, that's it. So my problem is getting to the setup menu. I cannot get it through the mouse. I cannot get it through the menu, the manual menu, or the keyboard. Okay, that's basically it. And if you could please email me, do something to help us along here. If you can suggest any more steps, I'll be glad to do them. That's not a problem. Just for your information, if you look over my back shoulder, you see a complete security system that's been set up. That's a 16 channel. We wanted to go to a 32. I set that up personally myself. My wife ran all the cables. We set up all the cameras. We did everything. So it's not our first cruise. This is the, when you did your quality control, this is what you should have done anyway. This is what you said you did in an email. We just unpacked it and we set it right here. We're experienced, and so there's something wrong with the operating system. I'm sure that it's fixable. I just need to stop the rhetoric and send us whatever we need to fix the problem. Thank you.